Hey guys, my name's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you my favorite makeup products, and I also did a video about my least favorite makeup products. You can check that video out right up there or up there. Not really sure where it's gonna be, but it'll be there and you can click on it and you can go check that out. But right now I'm doing my favorite makeup products of 2018. January, February, I don't know, but these are them. Disclaimer, these makeup products just didn't work for me. They could be your favorite, they could work for you great, they just didn't look great on my skin and when I tried to apply them. So my first makeup product that I did not like was this Maybelline Blushed Nudes palette. It looks like this inside, and it came with a little applicator too, but I don't really know what happened to that. But it just has a bunch of like pinky nude colors, and it looks really pretty, and it was pretty cheap. It was from the drugstore, so like I like that, affordable, but just it didn't have a lot of pigment, and when I tried to put them on they would flake off and there was a lot of fallout, and a lot of the colors are similar, so I don't know, it just didn't really inspire me. Nope. The second makeup product that I did not like at all is this setting powder palette from Ulta. So I love Ulta and I buy like all my makeup there, but their products, like the Ulta Beauty products, I've tried and I just like, I can't, I don't know, maybe it just doesn't work for me. Let me know if they work for you. They're just not great. This palette came with an applicator that I actually love. I use it for my bronzer, but it's just like a little brush. And this palette has a translucent powder, a highlighter, and a banana powder. And I bought it because I wanted a banana powder. Ew, it even smells bad. It just smells like chemicals. It's messy because I've tried them out and I've tried to like them because I still really want to use a banana powder. Let me know in the comments below what the best banana powder is, because I can't find one and I really want to try it. Or a translucent powder, whichever one. Let me know which one you like better. This translucent powder, I tried to put it on, I tried to like bake my makeup with it. It didn't show up at all. It's literally nothing. Like, it's white, but it just comes right, I don't know, it just did not work for baking. And then this highlighter, I don't even know how they can get away with calling this a highlighter, because there is no shimmer. Ew, look, did you see that? Can you see that? That is disgusting. Like, it's literally just powder, and it's not shiny or shimmery at all. It's not even pretty. It's everywhere now. It got everywhere on me, and it looks just like the translucent powder. Like, these two look exactly the same when you swatch them. And then this banana powder, I also tried, but it's just the same. It's like this formula, I guess. It's just this gross powder, and it's very yellow too. I don't know how banana powders are supposed to be, but I don't think they're supposed to go on your skin and make you look yellow. This is a thumbs down. The next makeup product that I did not like is also a powder, and it is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And I have used this in my videos before because it's the only powder I have right now. Honest! Meow. Meow. I'm going to get the Tarte powder, but I can't afford it right now. I'm broke, so I need to use this. It's just way too cakey. It's dense, it builds up really cakey, and it just makes you look creasy and cakey and gross, like you have way too much makeup on. I don't love this. Okay, the next makeup product that I did not like was the NYX Eyebrow Pencil. Micro brow pencil, I don't really know. One side is a brush, one side is the actual pencil, and this is orange. This is the lightest like blonde color they had. Yeah, it says MBP02 blonde. So that's the blonde color that they have, and this is not the color of my eyebrows. When I do my eyebrows, I pretty much have to fill them in because they're like pretty much non-existent without any product. And with this, They looked orange. I'm not into that. Nope. The next makeup product that I really did not like, which you're going to be surprised about, my Hoola bronzer. But everyone loves the Hoola bronzer, and I wanted it so bad. Maybe I should try the Hoola Light? I don't know. But this bronzer is so hard to blend. Like, I will put it on, and there'll be a line there, and it'll be impossible to blend out. There's just still a line there, and I just can't blend it out, and it's impossible, and it's so hard. And so I use it for eyeshadow now. That's it. I'm sorry. So the next makeup product that I am not a big fan of was the Urban Decay Troublemaker Mascara. I got a little mini version of it to try it out. It was this big. It's very hard to apply it when it's so small. Yeah, I literally just put like the tiniest bit on and it got all over my eye. It's just like spiky and it kind of hurts to apply, and it is impossible to get off. Like, it's under my eye now, it's everywhere. This was a thumbs down for me. I also didn't particularly like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I mean, it was nice. It made my lashes full and very thick, but they didn't make them look long. Like, this is my favorite mascara, and it makes my lashes look so long and so full, and this one just made them look full. So I wasn't a big fan of this one either. Also, I got it in a mini, so I don't know if the bigger one would make any difference. I didn't love this one either. And the last makeup products that I was not a big fan of, these 3 shades of Kylie Lip Kits. Kylie Cosmetics has so many shades, and I love a lot of them, but I bought these 3 thinking that they were going to be something different, and they were not. These colors are, this one is called Malibu, this one is called Dulce K, and this one is called Love Bite. And I really like the colors on these two, I really like the colors on their own, but on me, this one is way too dark. They're both way too dark, and they're just not my color. This one's way too brown for me, and this one makes me look like I'm a vampire. Malibu is like a nude brown. You know what, I'll swatch these for you. It looks terrible on me. It is way too brown and nude for my skin tone. So this is Malibu right here, and it looks lighter in the bottle than it does like in real life on my hand. Also, now I haven't used it. I've used this maybe like once or twice, and I've never actually worn it out. And I'm noticing when I'm putting it up to the light that there's only like this much product in it. Like, there's a line right there where you can see where the product ends. I don't know about that. So here is Dulce K. Still very dark, too brown for me. I'm more of a pinky, mauve colors for lipstick, maybe even like a berry, I don't know, but not brown. Browns, nudes, not really for me. Okay, so this one is Love Bite. Super, super dark. Way too dark for me. Unless I did some kind of really dramatic eye look. Like, I couldn't even wear this to prom last year because it was too dark. It just looked, you just looked at me and all you saw was my lips. Like, it was just, I'm sorry, I love Kylie Cosmetics, but these 3 colors, just not right for me. So those are all the makeup products that I was not a big fan of. I don't know, they just weren't right for me. Now my swatches are getting everywhere. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Please give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button, and go check out the rest of my videos and my video about the makeup products that I loved.